universe. Have you ever looked around and wondered how all the plants, animals, and even the rocks and rivers are all connected? Well, today we're about to discover the magical world of ecosystems. Get ready, because today we're going on a journey to understand how everything in nature works together like one big team. Are you ready? Let's go! So, what exactly is an ecosystem? Well, it's a place where living things like animals, plants, and bugs work together with non-living things like sunlight, air, and water to keep everything in balance. It's kind of like nature's special club. Ecosystems come in all shapes and sizes, from the small pond near your house to the gigantic ocean that covers most of the planet. Now, let's talk about the two important parts of an ecosystem: living and non-living things. Living things are all around us: plants, animals, and even tiny creatures like ants. These are called biotic parts of an ecosystem. And then we have non-living or abiotic things. These are like sunlight, rocks, and water. Even though they don't grow or eat like living things, they are super important to help life grow. Can you spot the living things around you right now? What about non-living things? Look around and let's figure it out together. Did you know that there are many different types of ecosystems all over the world? Let's take a look at some of the coolest ones. First up, the forest ecosystem. In forests, tall trees, chirping birds, and playful squirrels live together in harmony. The trees provide food and shelter for the animals, while the sun and rain help the plants grow. Next, let's travel to the desert ecosystem, where it's hot, dry, and full of surprises. Cacti store water, and animals like camels and lizards have special ways to survive with very little water. And don't forget the ocean ecosystem. The ocean is home to whales, dolphins, and tiny fish. Coral reefs are like underwater cities where sea creatures live together. In every ecosystem, all the living and non-living things depend on each other. Plants need sunlight and water to grow. Animals need food and shelter, and the sun helps keep everything warm and cozy. It's like a puzzle where every piece is important. But what happens if one piece of the puzzle is missing? If we cut down too many trees, or if animals lose their homes, the ecosystem can be thrown out of balance. What do you think we can do to help our ecosystems? Maybe planting trees, cleaning up trash, or just appreciating nature more. Now that we know how important ecosystems are, it's up to us to protect them. Every little action we take can help keep nature in balance. Whether it's taking care of plants in your garden, recycling, or simply being kind to animals, you can be an ecosystem hero. So next time you're outside, take a moment to appreciate the amazing ecosystem around you. And remember, we're all part of this wonderful world. Thanks for exploring ecosystems with us today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Dadaatv for more exciting adventures in science and nature. Let's keep learning together.